In this video, I'll guide you through how to record expenses in Wave Accounting. Whether you're managing business finances or tracking personal spending, accurately recording expenses is essential. Wave Accounting simplifies this process, and today I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, let's navigate to the right section in Wave Accounting. Start by looking at the left-hand navigation sidebar. You should see a range of options here, but what we're interested in is the accounting section. Once you're there, click on Transactions. This will take you to the Transactions Overview page, where you can see all your past entries and make new ones. Now, to add a new expense, head over to the top right corner of the screen layout. You'll notice a blue button that says Add Transaction. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Add Expense. This selection will bring up a form where you can enter all the necessary details for your expense. Let's dive into filling out this form. The first field you'll need to complete is the date. Make sure you select the exact calendar date when the purchase was made. This ensures your financial records are accurate and reflect the true timing of your expenses. Next is the description field. Here, you should type a clear note or the vendor's name. For instance, if you're recording a subscription payment, you might write something like Adobe subscription. If it's for supplies from a local store, you could enter local hardware store. This step is crucial for later identifying what each expense was for. Moving on to the amount section, enter the total cost of the transaction. Be precise with this figure to maintain accurate financial records. This will help when reconciling your accounts and ensuring everything adds up correctly. After that, you need to select the account from which the money came. This could be cash on hand, or perhaps a specific bank account you use, like your manual checking ledger. Choosing the right account is important for tracking where your funds are going and maintaining a balanced budget. Once you've selected the account, it's time to categorize your expense. This is done in the category field. Choose the appropriate expense account that will map correctly to your profit and loss statement. Proper categorization helps in understanding your spending patterns and preparing for tax time. Finally, don't forget to click Save. This action will officially record the expense in your Wave accounting system. It's always a good practice to review the information one last time before saving to avoid any errors. And that's it. You've successfully recorded an expense in Wave accounting. This simple guide has shown you how to navigate the system, enter details accurately, and ensure your financial records are up to date. Regularly recording expenses not only helps in keeping track of your finances, but also provides valuable insights into your spending habits. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you feel confident in managing your expenses in Wave accounting. Remember, keeping your financial records accurate and organized is key to successful financial management. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.